So once again, I would like to repeat it because I forget to record. The statistics term, plural sense and singular sense. Plural sense means collection of numerical facts or estimates in the figure themselves. It is in this sense that the public usually thinks of statistics, collection of information relating to population of the nation. That may be relating to income, that may be relating to the height, weight, age, then earning capacity, employed, unemployed, like that. If you collect the information in numerical terms regarding the population, that is called as plural sense. Suppose you consider any one industry, for example, sugar industry. In the sugar industry, there are so many sugar factories. If you collect the profit made by each sugar factory under the sugar industry, that is called as plural sense, and so on. And in the singular sense, we use certain methods in the collection of data, in the analysis of the data, and in the interpretation of numerical data, that is called as the singular sense of statistics. Singular sense of statistics. Plural sense means collecting the data of different industries, different areas, that is the plural sense. Method you adopt for the analysis, interpretation, and collection, that is called as singular sense. The methods of collection, analysis, interpretation, if you consider in statistics, that is called as singular sense. If you consider the numbers you collected, numerical data collected, that is called as plural one. Plural statistics. Plural sense of statistics. Okay. This is the two senses in the statistics. One is plural sense, second is singular sense. Singular sense. And in the statistics, in our study, we always the second method, that is singular sense of statistics we use. Okay, remember this point. Singular sense of statistics we study in our BCom third semester. Singular sense of statistics means how to collect the data, how to analyze the data, and how to interpret the numerical data. We study, therefore, our study is in connection with singular sense of statistics. Okay, this is the introduction part regarding statistics. Now we see the different definitions given by different personalities. We see the definitions one by one. The statistics has been defined differently by different authors. The statistics is defined by different authors in different ways, but the meaning of all the definitions is same. The meaning is not different. They are defined. They defined the statistics in the different way in their own style, and the definitions are same. Sorry, the meaning of definition is same. So the different authors has assigned the limit according to their requirements, according to the scope they know, based on the scope, based on the area, they define the statistics. So I would like to explain only the selected definitions of statistics. Okay. The first definition is according to A.L. Bowley. A.L. Bowley, what he says about the statistics. Statistics may be called as science of counting. Statistics may be called as science of counting. It is a science means systematized body of knowledge. Statistics is a systematized body of knowledge connected with the counting the numerical things. Counting the things which are required to you people. So, Bowley says that statistics is a science of counting. Science means systematized body of knowledge, systematically counting. Applying the science for the counting is called as statistics. Okay. At another place, he defined the same one. Statistics may be called as science of averages. In this first step, he says that it is a science of counting. And in the second definition or second stage, he says that it is science of averages. Averages means it is not the highest, it is not the lowest, it is in between. Averages. Averaging. We are living in between. That is averages. The both definitions are the narrows and thrown light on only one aspect of statistics. Whatever two definitions given by Bowley, one is science of counting, another is science of averages. These two definitions are the narrow definitions. Okay, simple counting is not a clear meaning of statistics, or simple taking average is not a clear meaning of statistics. So we call this as a narrow sense. So these two definitions are narrow and throw light on only on the aspect of statistics. Statistics means only counting. Okay, this is the narrow definition. If you take the definition according to King's, according to King, he says that the science of statistics, the science of statistics is the method of judging collective, natural, and social phenomena. The science of statistics is the method of judging. It is a method of judging. It is a method of collective, natural, and social phenomena. Method of judging the collective, natural, and social phenomena. You have to judge. You have to take certain decision on the basis of collective information, on the basis of collective natural information, on the basis of social phenomena. On the basis of social phenomena, from the result obtained from the analysis, you have to judge on the basis of results obtained from the analysis. You have to analyze it. That means you have to make one judgment. You have to make one judgment based on collecting certain information, which is natural one, which is relating to social aspect, and there should be different phenomena from the result. Once you collect the information related with the natural and social phenomena, you have to analyze it. You have to analyze it. You have to analyze it or enumerate it. Means you have to count it. By the application of science, you have to count it and enumerate it. Then you have to estimate. If it is not possible to count properly, you have to estimate it in a proper way. On the basis of estimation, on the basis of enumeration, you have to analyze and judge. You have to give a decision regarding any facts, any aspect That is called as statistics. It is the clear meaning of statistics. So, statistics is the science. It is a science of statistics is the method of judging. You have to apply one method of judging. In that judging method, first we collect the information from the natural and social phenomena and obtain the results of those by way of analysis, enumeration, or collection of estimates. Then we say one judgment, we say one decision. That is called as statistics. For example, if you want to take the decision relating to the performance of the students, performance of the become third semester students. Okay. Regarding the performance of the students, if you want to say something, then you have to go through the results of the second semester. You go through the second semester performance, you collect the information regarding the second semester, then you analyze the information, then you interpret that and come to the decision that the third semester students performance is up to the mark or above the mark or below the mark. That is called as statistics. Okay, this is the definition given by King. Then third definition is according to Webster. According to Webster, he defines the statistics as the classified facts. Statistics, he defines that classified facts representing the conditions of the people. Representing the conditions of the people in the state. You have to classify the given facts, that facts which are representing the conditions of the people in the state. Especially those facts which can be stated in numerical. And whatever facts you collect, you classifies, that facts should be in numerical form, in numbers, or in tables, table of numbers, or in any tabular form or classified arrangement. This is also a definition or meaning given by Webster. He said that statistics is the classified fact. You have to classify the fact representing the conditions of the people in the state. People in the state means the people may be natural people, artificial people, or they may be things. Remember this. People means not only natural people. The people may be considered as, the word people may be considered as natural people, or it may be related with the things, or it may be related with the artificial persons. Okay. In a state means in a certain area. Especially those facts which can be stated in the numbers. Then all those facts should be expressed in numerical form. Or you can express in table form, that the table should contain numbers only. Or you classified in a tabular form or classified arrangement. Classified arrangement means, for example, the students who scored less than 50 marks, the students scored less than 40 marks. Like that, you can arrange. This is called as statistics. This is the second definition, or this is the fourth definition I explained. Okay. Then the comprehensive definition was given by Professor Hoss Sechrist, given the comprehensive definition of statistics. This definition covers each and every aspect of the statistics. Comprehensive means it covers every aspect of the statistics. Okay, what he says, by statistics we mean aggregate of facts. Aggregate of facts. Aggregate means all the facts. Aggregate means all the facts. Whatever aspect related with your study. Aggregate of facts affected to a marked extent by multiplicity of causes. It is a very interesting term. There are aggregate of facts, means there is a group of facts, there is a group of information. That group of information affected to a marked extent. Marked extent means to the greater extent. That means which is explainable. Marked extent by multiplicity of causes. Multiplicity of causes means there are causes, and that causes are in the form of multiple. One is related with another, another is related with some other, and some other is related with so on. That is called as multiplicity of causes. Only one single cause is not called as a multiple cause. Multiple causes, there is a one cause, and one cause is related with another cause, and another cause is related with some other cause. This is called as multiplicity of causes. Multiplicity of causes, and these causes are numerically expressed. The causes should be numerically expressed, enumerated, numerically recorded. If it is not useful to enumerate, estimated, you estimate according to a reasonable standard. You estimate according to certain reasonable standard. By application of certain reasonable standards, you estimate. While applying the reasonable standard, there should be accuracy. Accuracy. With the help of reasonable standard of accuracy, should be used to estimate the facts and figures. Then collected in systematic manner. Whatever standards you are using are accurate, but the accurate standards are using for unscientific collected data. So whatever reasonable standards of accuracy is used to estimate, that is used to data collected in a systematic manner. Whatever data is collected is there, the data should be collected in a systematic manner for a predetermined purpose. You should have certain predictions. Whatever data you collect, you must collect the data based on predetermined purpose. Your objective should be predetermined. On the basis of predetermined objective, you have to collect the data. First, collecting the data and fixing the goal is not statistics. First of all, you have to predetermine your goal, purpose, or objective. Your purpose, objective, or your reason. You predetermine, you fix well in advance. Well in advance comes to know your objective or goal or purpose. On the basis of that goal or that purpose or that aspect, you collect the information systematically. You collect the information systematically, that may be enumerated or estimated. Then that should be expressed in the numerical terms. And whatever you express in the numerical terms that are having multiple causes. Okay, that is having multiple causes, and you express in aggregate. In the reverse order, I explained it. That is called as statistics. What is statistics? First, there must be aggregate of facts. Aggregate means total. The total information must be there. Group of information should be there. Group of information should be there. For example, you are become third semester. Become third semester students' performance or student score. The student score. Let us consider. If you take the score or become score of the become third semester in the become second sem, that is the group of information, aggregate information, and that the result of the second sem of you people is affected, that should be affected to a marked extent. That should not be same. Your result should not be same. Your result should be different one. The result of one student should be different from another. In this way, there should be marked, affected to a marked extent by multiplicity of causes. The reason for the change in the result must have multiplicity of causes. Whatever reason the first student says, it should be different from the some other students. So multiplicity of causes, and that should be numerically expressed. Whatever result is there, you record in number term, express in numerical terms, enumerate it, explain it by application of certain standard of accuracy. You collect it in a proper way, and then you can say the performance or the result performance of the becomes third semester students regarding their second sem. This is called as statistics. This is a comprehensive definition given by Professor Horst Sechrist. Okay, this is definition given by Sechrist, and only 3 minutes time is there. I would like to go for explaining the characteristics. We will see the characteristics of statistics in the next class tomorrow. Okay, thank you. Any doubts or any clarification or any changes you would like to expect from me? Suppose you want to make certain changes or any suggestions or your requirements. Any doubts? 2 minutes time is there for you people to share your views. The comprehensive definition given by Professor Horst Sechrist. You prepare this definition for your 2 marks. Okay. Someone asking regarding which definition is more important. The comprehensive definition is important. You remember this definition. It is enough. Next, anybody? After the topic, I'll upload the notes to you people. I will provide the notes after completing the topic. First, after completing first topic, I will provide the notes. And the video will be uploaded daily evening. You can collect your own notes based on the video. And descriptive notes will be provided at the end of the unit. Okay. Thank you. We'll see tomorrow. Sorry, day after tomorrow or the next class.